Hello everyone, I am Dr. T. Srinivasulu, Assistant Professor of Mathematics. Today we will learn about equations that do not contain x or y. It is the part of differential equation of first order but not of the first degree. First we will learn about equations that do not contain x. That means the given differential equation consists y and p terms only. So the given differential equation is of the form y f of y comma p equal 0. It can be solvable for either y or p, either y or p. If it is solvable for p, it can be expressed as p equal to f of y. By using variable separable method, we get the required solution. The second case, it is solvable for y, then the given differential equation can be expressed as y equal to g of p. By using the method of equation solvable for y, we get the required solution. Now, equation that do not contain y. That means the given differential equation consists only x and p terms. So, the given differential equation is of the form f of x comma p equal to 0. It can be solvable for either x or p, The first case, if it is solvable for p, then it can be expressed as p equal to f of x. By using variable separable method, we get the required solution. If it is solvable for x, then it can be expressed as x equal to g of p. By using the method equation solvable for x, we get the required solution. Now, solve x square equal to a square of 1 plus p square. Given differential equation is x square of a square of 1 plus p square. This is equation number 1. Now, x equal to plus or minus a of square root of 1 plus p square. Take only positive. Let x equal to a of 1 plus p square, which is in the form of x equal to f of p, which is in the form of x equal to f of p. Now, differentiate with respect to y. What is the derivative of x with respect to y? Dx by dy equal a of root of x derivative 1 by 2 root of x. So, 1 by 2 root of 1 plus p square. Inside derivative 1 plus p square derivative 2p, p derivative dp by dy. Now, we know that dy by dx equal to p, but dx by dy 1 by p. 1 by p equal, here 2 cancel, ap by square root of 1 plus p square dp by dy. Cross multiplication, dy equal to ap into p, ap square by square root of 1 plus p square into dp. So, it can be written as a of 1 plus p square, 1 adding and subtracting, minus 1 by square root of 1 plus p square into dp. This is a, this is b. A minus b by c equal a by c minus b by c. So, that is a of 1 plus p square by square root of 1 plus p square, we get root of 1 plus p square minus 1 by square root of 1 plus p square into dp. This is the dy value. Therefore, dy equal to a of square root of 1 plus p square minus 1 by square root of 1 plus p square into dp. Now, integrate dy equal to integral of a of square root of 1 plus p square minus 1 by square root of 1 plus p square into dp plus c. C is the arbitrary constant. Integration of dy equal to y a of 1 plus p square integration. We know the formula here. Integral of square root of 1 plus x square dx integration x by 2 under root of 1 plus x square plus 1 by 2 sine h inverse of x. This is the formula. So using this formula, a of 1 plus p square integration p by 2 square root of 1 plus p square minus sine plus 1 by 2, so 1 by 2 sine h inverse of x is nothing but p minus, we know the another formula 1 by integration of 1 plus x square dx equal sine h inverse of x. So here 1 by under root of 1 plus p square integration sine h inverse of p plus c equal to a out p by 2 of 1 plus p square root of 1 plus 1 by 2 here minus 1, that is plus 1 by 2 minus 1 is nothing but 1 by 2 sine h inverse of p plus c. So out 1 by 2 outside, that is a by 2 outside, p of 1 plus p square minus sine h inverse of p plus c. But we know that sine h inverse of x equal to sine h inverse of x equal to log of x plus square root of 1 plus x square. By using this formula, y equal to a by 2 of p of 1 plus p square minus sine h inverse of is nothing but log of x means p plus square root of 1 plus p square plus c. Similarly, if we taken x equal minus a of 1 plus p square, this is equation number 2, we get y equal to a by 2 minus a by 2 of p plus 1 plus p square minus log of p plus square root of 1 plus p square plus c. This is third equation, the c dash. So 2 and 3 are the required solutions. 2 and 3 are the required solutions. Now second one, y equal to given differential equation is y equal to 2p plus 3p square. This is equation number 1. Now which is the form of y equal to f of p form? So differentiate with respect x. Differentiate with respect x. dy by dx equal to 2 plus 3p square derivative 6p, p derivative dp by dx. We know that dy by dx equal to how much? P equal to 2 plus 6p into dp by dx. So dx equal to 2 by p plus 6p by p is nothing but 6 into dp. Integrate integral of dx equal to integral of 2 by p plus 6 into dp plus c. Integral of dx is nothing but x equal to 2 by p integration 2 of log p plus 6 integration 6p plus c. Therefore x equal to log p square plus 6p plus c. This is equation 2, which is the required solution. Now solve x of 1 plus p square equal to 1. So given differential equation can be written as, given differential equation first, right, is x of 1 plus p square equal to 1. So it can be solvable for either p or x. Now we choose it is solvable for p. So 1 plus p square equal to 1 by x. P square equal to 1 by x minus 1. P equal to plus or minus square root of 1 by x minus 1. This is equation number 1. Now take, let p equal to positive square root of 1 by x minus 1 is equal to, but p equal to how much? Dy by dx, we know that, equal to square root of 1 minus x by x. Dy equal to integral of, square root of 1 minus x by x into dx. Integrate both sides. Integral of dy equal to integral of square root of 1 minus x by x dx plus c. This is equation number 2. Now take substitution method. Okay, now let x equal to t square implies dx equal to 2t dt. By using this way, integration of dy equal to y integral of 1 minus x is nothing but t square by t square into dx equal to 2t dt plus c. So is equal to integral of 1 minus t square, here t square t into 2t dt plus c. So tt will be cancelled, equal 2 into integral of 1 minus t square, 1 minus t square dt plus c. But we know the formula, integral of 1 minus t square equal to 2 of t by 2 under root of 1 minus t square plus a square by 2, that is 1 by 2 sin inverse of x t plus c. 2 outside, y equal to 2 cancel, t of 1 minus t square plus sin inverse of t plus c. Y equal to, but we know that t equal to x square t x equal to t square, x equal t square, we know that x equal to t square, sorry, x equal to t square, t equal to root x into root of 1 minus x plus sin inverse of root x plus c. So y equal to x into 1 minus x, both sides square root totally, plus sin inverse of root x plus c. This is equation number 3. Similarly, we take if x equal to minus term, p equal minus root of 1 by x minus 1, p equal to minus of root of 1 by x minus 1, we get then y equal to minus of x of root of 1 minus x plus sine inverse of root x plus c dash. This is fourth. 3 and 4 are the required solutions. 3 and 4 are the required solutions. Thank you.